What's up, guys? Welcome to Amazing Grace YouTube channel. Today, thanks for those of you that have subscribed. Thanks for those of you that have not subscribed. Thanks for those of you that are just watching my video for the first time. Please do me a favor and subscribe. Yes, today we are going to be doing how you can mine crypto coins that are in many websites. In using app, using your mobile phone, I will be dropping a lot of update on it. And I think this is the new way that many people are making money now. This is the new way people are actually making money, big money now. Gone are those days that people used to make money from airdrop. People make money from airdrop back 2 years ago. That is when airdrop was actually working, where that you can mine airdrop and earn airdrop, and they are going to and they will list it. But these days now, you can find out that it's very difficult for you to claim as many airdrop as you can, and they will list it. But mining cryptocurrency is actually the way forward now, and I'm going to show you how you can be mining Remitano coin with your Remitano app. And this Remitano coin, this Remitano app, you can actually use it and buy and sell cryptocurrencies. As in, you can actually use it and purchase USDT, Bitcoin, all those stuff. You can actually, they are just like exchange, and they have their own coin, just that they have not launched it. They have not listed, they are not listed. So as you continue mining it, once they are listed, you are going to make a lot of money from Remitano coin. So I'm going to go straight away to my screen and show you how you can mine this Remitano coin without wasting much of our time. Sorry, I'm already sweating. Please, without wasting much of our time, let's go over to my screen. Let me show you how you can mine and earn Remitano coin with your Remitano app. And if you don't have the Remitano, if you are not yet registered with Remitano exchange or Remitano app, I'm going to drop the link on my description below, so that you can register. You can register on the Remitano app and start mining Remitano. Whether you are verified or you are not verified, you can mine it. Thanks. Let's move on to my screen.
Good morning, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can mine Remitano on your Remitano app. Mining cryptocurrency is a very nice opportunity. If you are a beginner, even if you are not a beginner, it's a very nice opportunity. This Remitano is like an exchange. It's like exchange, Binance, Bitmaps, Hotbit. That is how it is. You can actually buy a USDT from Remitano. You can actually buy USDT from Remitano. You can actually buy other cryptocurrency on a Remitano. So I'm going to show you how to mine Remitano. And if you are not registered yet, I will drop the link on my description below, that if you click the link, then you will go and register your Remitano app, or you register through the website. But once you register, download the app. See the app here. I click on the app. Once you log in, see, you can actually do many things here. You can actually do buy and sell here. You can actually buy, okay, let's choose coin USDT. Sorry. You can see to buy USDT, you will see 583. That is the price of USDT. To sell, you can say 580. That is the price that you can sell USDT. So let's go straight to the point. I'm going to show you how to claim, how to mine, how you can start mining Remitano coin on your Remitano app every day. You mine it once every 24 hours. You mine it every 24 hours. You mine it. If you want to know how to mine this Remitano cryptocurrency coin, you have to stay tuned on the video. Watch it till the end. Don't skip. Once you come here, you click on this three line at the left side, the three line at the left side, it will take you where you will see your username, buy and sell, swap, all those. And you see this Remitano, you see this place that they write Remitano and remit and renemis. This and renemis, you click on it, it will bring you to the I have already mile for today. So you can see the next miling is after 23 hours 51 and 51 minutes 32 seconds. You can see how many my balance, your balance. I've already mined 3.66 Remitano coin. So that is how you are going to mine it. And this Remitano app have a very good and nice potential that is going to make you, and I assure you, if you can mine this Remitano, if you can mine it, I'm assure you are going to make enough money from it. So I don't want this video to be long. We are going to call it the end of we are going to come at the end of this video right now. But if you don't have this Remitano app, I'm going to drop link on my description below that you click and download it and register. Please, goodbye for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor and do that. Goodbye.